Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited to share with you a truly special unboxing, and it is my new mermaid tail from Finfolk. Now I have been wanting a koi fish mermaid tail for ages, years and years, and I think in 2018 I actually drew up a picture of a koi fish mermaid tail and decided to make one in silicone. And it turns out that silicone mermaid tail was extremely heavy. And for a long time since, I've been wanting a fabric mermaid tail like a koi fish. Just something easier to transport and wear and take on holiday and just enjoy in general. So when Finfolk decided to share and launch a koi fish mermaid tail, I just knew I had to have it. I was so excited. I truly felt like it was destiny. It was meant for me. And I'm sure a lot of other mermaids felt the same way. I think a lot of people were waiting and longing for a koi fish mermaid tail. But now it's finally been arrived weeks and weeks after the order and the shipping time. It has finally arrived to me. And I'm so excited to open this package up and share it with you. So let's get into it. Ooh, as you can see, it's a pretty big box, pretty heavy. It's going to have the mermaid tail inside and a big piece of plastic for the fluke. And the stickers are super cute. Finfolk calls it scale mail. And I can just tell from all the details and some of the labels that I covered up that it was very lovingly packed. So I'm just going to cut open this plastic, if I can. Ooh, it's a little difficult to get into. I will persevere. Ooh. Okay. Perfect. I think I have it open. Let's set it aside so we can take a good look at it. Alrighty. Ooh, how beautiful. I think you can see the blue tissue paper on top that says Finfolk. Just peel that off and back. A little bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, I can already see her peeking out. I'm so excited. It's really beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, the humongous fluke, and it's crazy heavy. I think that plastic just kind of has to soften up a little bit. And we have my receipt, which I'm going to set aside, and some care instructions. We'll just keep opening it up. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look what they included. A little sticker of my tail. Oh my gosh. How cute. I'll set that aside as well. We'll just pull it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, pretty heavy. I'm going to just set the box aside so we can get a better look at this big tail, the big fluke. Now inside there is a piece of plastic which will hold the monofin. My gosh, it keeps curling up. So naughty. But with some time, and, you know, just being outside of the box, probably the warmth of the apartment and everything, this plastic will sort of unfurl. But right now it's a little curled up just from being shipping and being kept in the box. But still, look at the colors on this fluke. I know it's printed on, I think it's some sort of like spandex fabric, but it looks so beautiful, 3D and detailed. Oh my goodness, this is the back here, so I'm showing you the front now. Ooh, I'm not sure if you can see it. Look how beautiful at the little hip fins. Now I just did the double fins at the top. I did not add the extra fins down here at the side like at the calves, and I did not do a dorsal fin. There were some other options as well. I just did the top 2 fins and of course the big fluke, because that was just really close to that drawing I had made years ago, and I really wanted to keep to that vision. And gosh, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So here we have a nice, beautiful tag from Finfolk. The colors are just phenomenal. It's really hard and floppy to share right now, but it is truly beautiful. All the details, the scales, the spots. Oh my goodness, it's humongous. The fluke is humongous. Like, fills up the entire screen. And it is still a bit heavy. But I am truly so excited to wear it. I don't really have anything exactly in mind yet, but I'm sure I'll think of something. I'm sure I'll think of somewhere very special to wear it here in Japan. I think the koi fish is just so fitting. This is truly such a beautiful tail. I'm just so happy to open it, to share this unboxing with you guys. Finfolk was really just wonderful, the staff at Finfolk. This was my, I think, second time buying a tail, and then this go round I decided to join the Pod Squad. And I definitely recommend that if you're looking at getting a tail for yourself. There's a lot of information in the Pod Squad, and of course the staff at Finfolk was just so wonderful and helpful. And the tail is just gorgeous. I really cannot wait to enjoy it. So I'll be sure to upload maybe a little footage so you can see the tail more closely, so maybe get a look at some of the details. But I just wanted to share this unboxing with you. I was truly just very excited to crack the package open and finally see my koi fish tail. But thank you all so much for watching. I do sort of sporadically upload unboxing videos, but if you like these kinds of videos, feel free to like and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around. Bye!